To Surya and Salman both, considering the recent situation between the two countries, do you think that there is a need to give specific instructions to the players to keep their tempers in control during the match?
Temper. Sir, aggression is always there on the field when we take the field, and without aggression, I don't think you can play this sport. And I'm sure I'm very excited to take the field from tomorrow.
Well, it's you don't need to say anything to any player, because everyone is individually very different. If someone wants to be aggressive in the field, they're more than welcome to do that. So when it's come to fast bowlers, they are always aggressive, and you can't just stop them, because that's what keep them going. So whoever wants to do be aggressive in the field, they are more than welcome. So yeah, from my side, there is no instruction to anyone, as long as it stays in the ground.